Good morning, Kylie Scholars. So this is a quick tutorial on how to do the polytheism monotheism document. So you're going to go to your general channel, find assignments. When you get to the folder, you're going to want to open it in Word Online from Student View. It's a little bit more easy to navigate this way. So now that it's open, I'm going to get rid of the other ones I started. Make it easier on my computer. So remember polytheism, belief in many gods, monotheism, belief in one God, and I gave you some examples to help you in your search. So here you see we started Greek, Homer's Iliad and Odyssey, and Egypt we have the pyramid text. We'll do the next one in, we'll do Taoism, and we're looking up sacred texts in Taoism. So sacred texts of Taoism. And we'll wait, and here it comes. So we've got, I'm going to highlight all of this, but we really only need the names. And I'll show you how to do this. So copy, come back to the document, and put Taoism, and then you want to paste it in there. So paste text only, and then I'm going to go through, and I'm going to get rid of this, because I don't need it. And then, let's see, we did choosing, so get rid of this and that. And now we have all three. Okay. And you're going to do the same for monotheism, for Judaism, Christianity, Islam. Just do it down here in a search. And here you go. So we have, what is the Tanakh, also known as written Torah. And we're going to take all that, copy. It's important to make sure we know what we're talking about. Judaism. And then paste it in. And then repeat the process for Christianity and Islam. You're going to do the same for historical figures and locations. Just type in locations of Taoism, location of ancient Greek mythology, location of Egyptian religion, location of Judaism. Okay, just repeat the process asking the same question. Okay, if you have any questions, you know where to contact me. I have my email and, well, you know what? I don't think it's, let's see. My record button is not here. Oh, there it is. There it is. All right. So email me, Google Voice, text. If you get stuck, I also still have a couple slots open in the 1:30 to 2:30 extra help period. Okay. Good luck.